Hi guys and welcome to CarFlix. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a creaking steering rack on a 2010 Peugeot RCZ. So without further ado, let's crack on with that video. So this is the issue I'm having. Every time I'm cornering hard or if I'm parking the car at all, I'm getting this annoying creak. You can see how I'm pushing that? I'm just making this awful creaking sound. So to get to the source of the squeak, it's super easy. You don't have to remove much. The only thing you've got to do is to remove this, and this just clips off, okay? Once you've done that, you want to undo your rake just under here and drop it all the way down. This will then expose what I am talking about. If I go to this metal bracket here, look, can you hear that? It's this bracket. What's happened is, over time, I don't know how, but this bracket here has somehow expanded and touching this bracket here, which gives it this like creaking sound. Now, it wasn't the bolts, I tightened those up, they were really tight, nothing to do with that. It was literally this piece here, which had expanded and had been rubbing on here, and when I put it in here it would creak. But to stop it, what I've done is I've got my screwdriver in here and I've just slightly parted it away from here so it's not touching anymore. Not a lot, just a couple of mil, and that has stopped the creaking completely. So to put it back together, it's super easy. Just re-clip this back into the back of the cowling and that's it all done. And if we look now, look at that, absolutely no annoying creaking anymore.
A great success!
Thanks ever so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.